In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to a YouTube video. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And make sure you watch this full video because I'm showing you two different methods you need to try in this. So let's get right into it. I'll be showing you two different methods of how you can go and add subtitles to a YouTube video. So the first one will be on YouTube and the second one is going to be off of YouTube. So make sure you watch the full video so you know both methods, or just go and skip to one if you prefer that. So firstly, you need to go and start uploading a video. So to do that, all you need to do is go and tap on the plus create button in the top right of YouTube and go and press upload video and go and select the video you want to go and upload. Before you can go and add subtitles to a video which you're currently uploading, what you need to do is wait for it to finish uploading and also processing. So you need to wait for the SD version to be finished processing. In this case, mine has. You just hover on it, it will tell you. So I'll add some details and then I'll show you how to go and add the subtitles. And I just want to quickly mention as well, if you're noticing I've got any additional buttons, this is because I have an add-on or a software called TubeBuddy, and it's a tool that is super useful for YouTubers. So I'll put a link down below if you're interested in it. But anyways, once you've added a title or some details, then what you need to do is come to video elements. And then here at the top, it says add subtitles and it says reach a broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. So go and tap on add just like so. Then it's going to go and take a moment to load and we've got three different options. So the first option is upload a file. So if you go and hover over your mouse, it says a subtitle or closed caption file contains the text of what is said in the video. Then we've got auto sync, so it says type or paste in a full transcript of the video, and subtitle timers will be set automatically, and subtitle timings will be set automatically. And the final option is type manually. So you could go and use this type manually option. So what you need to do is basically go and listen back to the video. So I'm going to go and play it back and hear what I say. I wanted to go and do this screen recording and what I recommend doing is breaking it up into different sentences. So just there I said I wanted to go and do this screen recording. So then what I'm going to do is I stop speaking about here, or I move on to the next sentence. So I'm going to end it here. Then I'm going to go and type in this caption. So I'm going to go and say, I wanted to do this screen recording just like so. And then once you're happy with it, you then can go and add another by pressing add caption again. And as you can see, it's then automatically going and setting the seconds and the frames. So now I can go and listen back to what I said next. For a quick example, So I said for a quick example, so I'll type that in now. And then you can go and repeat this process for the full video, but this is going to take quite a long time. So what I recommend doing is using a tool which is going to automatically do this all for you. And then once you finish with it, make sure you go and press done like so, and it's going to go and take a bit to load. And then it'll go and say subtitles published. But as you probably can get the idea of, that's going to take a long time. So with the second method, we can actually go and use the software to go and automatically go and generate these onto the video. And I forgot to mention that this software is completely online, which is really useful. And with this software, we can go and automatically go and generate these subtitles straight onto the video. It basically means that they aren't optional. They're going to be permanently displayed on the video, and you don't have to go and type them out. It's all automatically done. So let's do this. So what you need to do is go and open up a new tab. So once you're in a new tab, then all you need to do is type in CapCut, CapCut, then go to CapCut.com, which is the official website. So CapCut.com is a full video editor and it's got so many tools, but primarily in this guide, I'll be showing you how to go and use it for captions and subtitles. So go and tap on edit online just like so, and then it's going to take you straight here. All you want to do is tap blank canvas and you can go and tap create. So what I recommend doing is having your video which is ready to go and upload to YouTube, and then you can go and add subtitles onto it. But of course you could edit it in here and add subtitles at the same time. But personally, I've already edited the video and I'm just adding subtitles now, then I'll upload it to YouTube. So the first thing we need to do is come and drag and drop the files from your computer, or tap here and your file explorer will open. Find the video you want to use and tap open just like so, and then it's going to go and say uploading. And now it's saying transcoding, and just like that, it's all finished. So now what you need to do is go and hover over it like so, and there's going to be a green plus button in the bottom right of the video. So go and tap on that just like so. And as you can see, it's now loading, and you can go and play it back if you like. I'll turn my volume down a bit, but it's important to note that it does look blurry. This is just because it's all online and it's sort of trying to save resources. But anyways, let's go and get right into adding these captions. So make sure your cursor is right at the start of the video like so, otherwise it may not work correctly, and go and tap on text. Then once you tapped on text, you need to go to the top of this section here and go and press auto captions. This is basically auto subtitles, so tap here. Then we've got three different options, but the one you probably want is at the top, which says recognize voice. It says recognize voice in sounds or videos and create auto captions. You can then go and choose the language, whether it be American English or British English. I'm British English, so I'll use that. Then go and press create, and it's now creating the captions. And this is the awesome part about it. Just like that, it's already done. So I'm going to play it back, and as you can see, they're all now showing up on the screen. Now you may think this is really sort of bland and very basic. Don't worry, I'll show you how to go and fully customize this. It's really, really easy. So go and pause that now. Now what you need to do is just go and select any of these subtitles like that, just select it in the timeline, and then on the right hand side is then going to open this thing up called captions, and you can go and see them all. So now what I recommend doing is just playing the video back, listening to it and making sure everything has been spelt correctly and written out correctly. To go and edit it, literally just go and tap on it, and then you can go and add any word you like, but for me it all looks good. So once you've done that, we can now go and add some effects. So what you need to do is just go and tap on text like so, and make sure you select text lining and text effects apply to all captions. This means if we go and change the font of this one we've got selected currently, it's going to go and apply it to all of them, which of course is what we want. So for font, go and tap on it and go and choose one you think looks cool. There are so many to go and look at. I think I'm just going to find one which looks quite bold and clear. In this case, I'm going to select this one here, and then there we go. And then you can go and add a format so you can make it bold, and you could underline it, add italics, all that type of stuff, and go and change the color as well. Then continue to scroll down. There are some styles you can go and select. So I could go and tap on this yellow one, for example, and go and apply that. That looks quite cool, to be fair. I'm going to go and remove that personally, pressing on the remove button. Then you can go and change the spacing and things like that. But what I like to go and add is actually a drop shadow. So it's called shadow. So you've got all these options here. You could add an outline. So an outline is like a stroke of the text. And the shadows, just for me, they look really good. So for the color, you can go and choose any color. I'll choose black, just like this. And then you can go and choose the opacity and the blur. So you can increase it, decrease it, whatever you want to do with it, until you go and get an effect which you like. And then if you come right to the top again, to the right of text, you've got animation. So you can basically go and decide how the text is going to come in. So you could go and have like a jolt, a glitch, a bounce. It's all up to you. And then you can go and choose how you want the text to go and leave the screen by tapping on out like so. And there's loop as well. So if you want to go and add any other edits, you can, but in my case, I'm not. I just want to go and export this and then upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go and tap export in the top right, just like so. And you will need to go and sign into an account. Or you can go and create one as well. It doesn't take long at all. And if nothing happens, then just go and tap on export again. And here we are. Then we go and get this option here. So now what we can do is go and name this. So I'm going to go and name this captions or subtitles, whatever you want to name it. And then you can go and choose the resolution. So go and tap on resolution. There's so many to choose from. 1080p is fine for me. Then I'm going to expand on the advanced settings, tap export like so. And then it's going to go and say exporting. Now, when I've exported videos before, sometimes it sort of sticks on like 1% and then it's suddenly going to jump. So don't worry. Once it's finished exporting, we've got these two options here, upload to TikTok and download. So I'm going to go and tap on download just like so. And here it is. It's now downloading onto our computer. And if your downloads aren't appearing in the bottom of your browser, this is because I'm using Google Chrome. So go and open up your file explorer or whatever file explorer you have on your Mac, for example, go and open that and go and find it. And here we are. I've just opened the video now. And as you can see, they're all appearing and things were a lot crisper. Now we've gone and downloaded it. So I've now gone and closed off of it, and let's come back to YouTube. And then what we can do is go and upload that video we just made in CapCut. So go and find it in your file explorer, and then you can go and start uploading it. And once again, you can go and name it, and you can add a description, a thumbnail, all that awesome stuff. And then you can go and publish it to your viewers. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Peace.